Fabio. Please, before start the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We are in 1 day Bitcoin chart. We can see the last candle we closed 15 for bearish, mine 5 for bullish. The new candle opened with 16 for bearish, mine 5 for bullish. In the candle we get the X, the red X, okay? This is a bearish sign. We can see we get a bearish cross too with the EMA 21 and the EMA 21. But guys, the EMA 21 is still blue. This is good. We can see market Cipher B, the money flow is going down, the VWAP is going down, but right now it's likely recover a little bit, going down but sideways. Momentum wave going down, RSI stochastic going down. We are practically in the neutral territory. Okay. We need to see in the next 8 hours probably some kind of a reaction to the upside. Right now our target, the first one probably it's $57,700. If we going a little bit more to the downside, and maximum 55,700 is the golden pocket. If we looking for our chart, we can see it just started right now, the red money flow. The momentum wave, it's practically almost we get our green dot. Sincerely, I would like see a big green dot for our chart. Will be great. But probably we can see in the weekend. Okay, maybe we can see a green dot like here. We can go a little bit high. We can get a red dot here, and going down and get finally our green dot, big green dot for our chart. Probably we can see something similar like this. We need to check in the next day to see if this is play out. In 4 hour chart we can see we are in bearish right now. The RSI is very low. It's 30, the EMA 22.2 is going down. What would like looking very well is 6 hour, 8 hour and 12 hour, because 12 hour too is likely going to the zero line. The good thing is the VWAP is going up right now. We can see the money flow closing to the zero line and going up another time. We need to check very well this chart in 12 hour chart. But right now the situation, nothing changed. We have 15 minutes totally in red, the money flow in red, 24 minutes in red, 30 minutes in red, 1 hour in red. Start with the money flow with the stochastic in green. This is good because it's when it's green it's over sold. Okay, this is good because we are close to the zero line and green. Probably we are very close to the bottom, to the dip. We get 2 big green dot, bullish divergence, but we don't get any reaction to the downside, to the upside, just the sideways action, because the money flow is very red, is very big. Right now we can see the VWAP try to going up. We will to see when we touch the zero line if we get a rejection to the downside or we can cross to the upside. In 2 hours we can see we get our big green dot 2-day chart. Right now we get a red dot, and here probably in the next 15 minutes we can see a green dot, and we get a bullish divergence, and probably we try to go to the upside. Here too we can see a beautiful stochastic RSI close to the zero line in green, oversold. This is beautiful. We can see here in the market cipher A, we can see a yellow X. This is manipulation. A 2-hour chart is very strong. In 1 hour we get the manipulation too. In 3 hour we have 2X, yellow X. We have a lot of manipulation right now. We can see in 3-hour chart too the stochastic in green. This is oversold, is good because we need to stay close to the zero line. We need to see this in green. We need to see the money flow going to the green. Okay, and when we stay in this situation, okay, this is the end to the dip. Okay, right now it's still in action, but it's good to see the stochastic in green, in color green. In 4-hour chart we can see it's still red. Okay, probably may tomorrow or after tomorrow probably change the color to green and start to see this in oversold. Guys, we need to check very well 4-hour chart because right now we are below to the EMA 200. The EMA change the color green to red. This is very bearish sign. The EMA 21 to change the color to blue to red. We need to see some kind of a reaction to the upside right now. Okay, in 6 hour the EMA 21 is red too. 8 hour to 12 hour start right now. Okay, if we get a big correction in 12 hour because the money flow is very close to the zero line, easy we can touch $54,000. We need to check what's happening with the money flow. Okay, with the money flow 12 hour, it's very important. But for right now our target is the Fibonacci retracement 0.382, 57,700 and or 55,700, the golden pocket. Okay, this is our goal for right now, like a dip, for the end to the dip. In 12 hour we get a blood diamond. This diamond, red diamond with 2x is called blood diamond. It's very powerful, very strong signal, bearish signal. Okay, nothing, guys. We need to check in the last 2 days and see if we can find finally the dip, the bottom to the dip. We need to see the VWAP start to going up in 1 day chart, and the momentum wave start recover a little bit because right now is very strong to the downside. Okay, if we're looking for the weekly, we can see the VWAP cross the zero line to the downside, RSI stochastic going to the downside, and the momentum wave going to the downside. I expect to see something like this going in this area. Okay, this is like a reflection area and go to the upside. I expect to see something like this. The money flow is still high, good. Guys, this is just a dip. Okay, I don't think this is the end to the bull run, nothing like that. For me, for Bitcoin, the goal is still 77,000 Bitcoin. If we looking in the previous all-time high, we can see we get practically 4 top. Okay, in the worst scenario we are in the second top. Okay, I'm waiting for another top. Maybe we can reach 77,000 dollars. And when we are here, we need to check very well the money flow in 1 week, in 1 month, and decide what the best thing to do. Okay, this is everything for today. See you tomorrow on the next video. Bye.